Hello, my name is Steve, and I'm in charge of the technical support and consulting. In this video, we are going to look at what the VLAN is, the pre-knowledge need to understand Genian NAC. What is the VLAN? Currently, there are two PC with the same network and different IPs. In order for two PC to communicate with each other, the A and B PC must be connected to the switch of the same network. The APC now need to create an IP packet for communicate with the BPC. The IP packet contains the source IP address that you use and the destination IP address that you want to communicate with PC. The APC sends the packet to the BPC, and then BPC makes an answer packet and send it to APC. This is how A and B PCs communicate with each other. What if there are several PCs using different networks? Each PC needs a switch on the same network to communicate. This means if the network is different, the number of switches is increasing. In this configuration, 6 switches were used to use 3 networks. If we use more than 100 networks inside, the number of switches increases by the number. How do I reduce the number of switches? People have come up with a way to put a tag on an IP packet. When communicating network between PCs, we put a tag on the IP packet, so we can separate the network by a tag number. This tag is a VLAN. How to use the VLAN? Now I'm going to tell you how to use this VLAN and how it works. If you compare the before and after using a VLAN, before use, only one switch can set up one network. However, using a VLAN, you can set up 3 networks on one switch. The configuration on the previous page required 6 switches to communicate on 3 networks. However, after you set up a VLAN, you can communicate on 3 networks with 2 switches. This is the basic concept of VLAN. You can see it reduce the number of switches from 6 to 2.